Hello, everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix PayPal verification failed issues so you can successfully access your account without frustration. First, this error usually happens when the information you provided doesn't match PayPal's records or their system can't confirm your identity. To fix this, start by checking all your details carefully, including your name, address, and date of birth, and make sure everything matches your official documents exactly. Next, if you're trying to verify your phone number or email, make sure you entered them correctly and that you have access to receive the code. If the code is not arriving, try resending it or switch between SMS and email options. Another important step is to upload clear and valid documents. If PayPal asks for ID verification, use a high-quality image with no blur, glare, or cropped edges. Low-quality uploads often cause verification to fail. Also, avoid using VPN or public networks during verification, as this can trigger security blocks. If the issue still continues, try using a different browser or the PayPal app. And that's how you can fix PayPal verification failed and complete your account verification smoothly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.